In this video, I get to show you the brand new PS5 Pro controller, the Dualsense Edge. This is Sony's official Pro Series controller that just released for the PlayStation 5, and it is fully packed with every single feature that you could possibly imagine in one PS5 controller. And today we're going to unbox it and take a look at all the features and accessories that make the Dualsense Edge the ultimate PS5 Pro controller. As always, make sure to leave a like rating on the video, and we'll go ahead and get started. The Dualsense Edge comes neatly bundled in this very nice protective case, which upon opening, you will see the new controller along with many different performance related accessories. Now there are many upgrades to the Dualsense Edge compared to the standard PS5 controller, but by far the biggest addition has to be the replaceable thumbstick modules, which means that if a thumbstick was to wear out, you could simply replace the thumbstick on its own without having to purchase a whole new controller. To do this, simply remove the cover from the thumbstick modules and pull the thumbstick release levers to slide out either one or both of the modules. You can then insert a replacement module and re-secure it using the thumbstick release lever. Now these thumbsticks are complete with interchangeable caps for flexible customization, and the box even includes 2 additional sets of convex design caps that you can easily swap out if you're looking for better grip or just a more comfortable feel. But moving to the back of the Dualsense Edge, you're going to get 2 back buttons that come with interchangeable trigger and lever style paddles that can be easily remapped and assigned to just about any button that you want. You can change or swap out each of the back buttons by simply pulling the button towards the top of the controller to remove it, and then insert your chosen back button and secure it to the controller using the magnetic pull. Now above that, you also get fully adjustable trigger stops for both the L2 and R2 buttons, which will let you manually adjust each trigger's travel distance by simply pushing the sliders into one of their 3 marked positions. But finally, we're now going to connect the Dualsense Edge to the PlayStation 5 using the included locking USB-C cable or wireless Bluetooth connection. This will let you adjust all the controller settings and custom profiles right within the PS5 user interface. To do this, press and hold one or both of the function buttons to access the pop-up functions menu. From here, you can easily adjust all of your settings and create up to 3 separate controller profiles with custom button assignments for different games. And you can quickly swap between them by holding down one of the function buttons as well as the assigned face button to that profile. I gotta say, the Dualsense Edge really takes customization to a whole new level by offering individual settings for things like stick sensitivity curves, trigger dead zones, and even the ability to adjust your chat and in-game audio straight from the controller itself. But overall, at the fairly standard price tag of $200 for a Pro controller, the Dualsense Edge really does have a lot to offer, especially when compared to similar Pro controllers like the Scuff Reflex. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing and overview of the all-new PS5 Dualsense Edge, and if you did, make sure to leave a like rating, comment below to let me know what you think, and as always, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for post notifications. I'll see you guys later.